All right, pull it tighter on your side.
It's stuck on the rust.
Try shifting the hook up a notch.
Easy now, keep it steady. Bring it down another 6 inches and hold.
Keep it coming down slow, a little more to the right. Okay, easy now, perfect, that's it. Absolutely splendid. What a magnificent restoration. Bravo! Look at this, it's perfect. We actually did it. What a magnificent machine. Well done, everyone. Hooray! Bravo, she runs again. Hooray! Welcome back. Bravo, everyone. Mes amis, nous l'avons fait! Vive le 241!
The corrosion around the drive flange is significant. Log that measurement.
It's exactly 1.5 meters from the coupling rod pivot.
Well done, gentlemen. A magnificent achievement for the SNCF.
To the future of French railways.
Look at her now, absolutely beautiful. All right, everyone, smile big for the camera. We did it. Welcome, everyone. We are incredibly proud to present the culmination of years of hard work, the SNCF 241P.
Hold it steady on your side. Okay, lowering slowly, looks good. Perfect, it's secure.
Hold it, hold it. It's slipping. Get clear. Damn it. Watch your feet.
Если іншим дырок, стоїн код і лов документом з розсилом.
Check the tolerance on this bearing fit.
Looks good. Pressure reading is stable at 25.
According to the schematic, this bolt needs to be torqued to 75 Newton meters.
All right, I've got the wrench set.
If you check the pressure levels here, the 24p readings are stable. Looks good, we can proceed.
Excellent work, team.
The resistance levels here look stable now.
Good. Let's run the diagnostic on the joint servos.
That should do it. Almost ready for paint.
Looks good, Mom. We make a great team.
According to the diagnostic, the pressure valve is optimal.
This section here, near the hydraulic line, seems to be unstable. We should reinforce it before we proceed.
Easy now, keep her steady.
Looks good from here. Watch the clearance on the left.
You want to aim it right at the seam here. Keep the gun moving smoothly, just like that. Now you try it. Good, keep going down there.
The SNCF lettering is perfect.
The green really pops now.
Looks ready for the tracks.
Look at her, absolutely magnificent. We finally did it, she's ready.
All that hard work paid off.
Incredible work, team. She's beautiful.
We finally finished it.
We did it, gentlemen! Great work, everyone.
Easy now, just a little further.
We're clear on the right. Look at her go!